Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick but complete 2025 guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload files to Google Drive and share them with anyone using a simple link. Whether you're collaborating with teammates, sending documents to a client, or just backing up important files, this method works on any device with internet access. Stick with me until the end, and you'll be a pro at sharing files securely and effortlessly. Access Google Drive first, open your browser, and head to drive.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account where you want to store the file. You'll land on your Drive homepage where all your folders and files are organized. Upload your file. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a big new button. Click it. From the drop-down menu, select File Upload. A window will pop up so you can browse your computer. Locate the file you want to upload. It could be a document, a photo, a video, anything, and then click Open. Watch the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see a small box showing the upload progress. Once it finishes, your file will appear right there in your Drive. Share through a link. Now, let's make it shareable. Find the file you just uploaded and click it once to highlight it. Then click the share icon at the top. It looks like a little person with a plus sign. A sharing window will open. By default, Google Drive keeps files private, which is great for security. But to share via a link, you need to change the setting. Under General Access, click Restricted and choose Anyone with the link. This gives view access to anyone who has the link, no sign-in required. Finally, click Copy Link. That's it. You now have a ready-to-share link you can paste into emails, messages, or project tools. And that's your full 2025 guide to uploading and sharing files on Google Drive. In just a few clicks, you can store your documents securely and share them with anyone, anywhere. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.